What you're about to witness is a complete resurrection. Hidden beneath layers of rust and decay, a forgotten machine holds a powerful secret. This is not just a restoration. It's the story of how the abandoned is made magnificent. The journey begins with a single, challenging task, moving a heavy past to forge a new future. Secured and ready, the true work can now commence. A careful hand begins the deconstruction. Inside, a story of neglect and time's relentless toll. The heart of the machine, lifeless and corroded. Every component holds a piece of the puzzle. A methodical disassembly to reveal every flaw. Each screw and bolt a step deeper into its history. The process is slow, deliberate, and essential. Now, the purification begins. Years of grime were forcefully stripped away. A partnership in the cleansing process. Slowly, the original vibrant color is unveiled, washing away the past to prepare for a new dawn. The shell is clean, but the deep wounds remain. A glimmer of its former self begins to shine through. The transformative power of a thorough cleansing. With the surface clean, the real surgery starts, removing the old and decayed to make way for the new. Corroded fixtures are painstakingly extracted. The engine bay is stripped bare. A collection of rust, a testament to its age. Even the smallest parts undergo a powerful renewal. High-pressure water reveals the raw material beneath. The old paint gives way, exposing a blank canvas, stripped down to its essential form. Every inch is meticulously prepared for the next stage. The hull is now bare, ready to be rebuilt. A final cleanse before the structural repairs begin. Inside and out, no speck of dirt is left behind. Now, the delicate process of healing the fiberglass body. New layers are applied, strengthening the weakened structure. The repair is sculpted and shaped with precision, sanding the surface, creating a flawless finish. A final inspection ensures the body is perfect. The hull is now stronger than ever before. A stunning transformation, ready for its new identity. A special compound is applied, preparing the surface. The patient hands of a craftsman smooth every imperfection. The entire body is sanded to a perfect smoothness. A pristine white canvas, awaiting its color. The first coat of primer is applied. A new skin begins to form, uniform and sleek. Meanwhile, the engine components face their own trial. The engine, the heart of the machine, is taken apart. Each bolt and screw holds a story of corrosion. The disassembly continues, layer by layer. A complex mechanism reduced to its core components. Every part must be removed and inspected. A crucial component, freed from its rusted prison. A symphony of fire and metal begins. Welding brings new life to what was broken. The intense heat forges a permanent bond. The repaired section, now solid and strong. Another angle shows the meticulous repair work. The metal is whole once more. The structure is sound, the damage erased. Attention to detail, even in the smallest weld. The blinding light of creation fuses metal together. The excess is filed away, perfecting the new form. The repaired part is secured, ready for the next phase. Old and new, prepared for a unified finish. A coat of protective paint seals the repair, the core shaft and its bearings, vital components, polishing a small part to a brilliant shine. The collection of reborn parts, ready for assembly. Lubrication is applied, ensuring smooth operation. The intricate process of reassembly begins. Each part fits perfectly, a testament to precision. A piece of the pump, looking brand new. The assembly progresses, taking shape. Another small component is carefully installed. The rebuilt pump is nearing completion. A view of the expertly assembled machinery. The pump housing, fully restored. A final look at the finished pump assembly. From this rusted relic, a full engine restoration begins with a deep clean. Every nut and bolt is cataloged and prepared. Intense heat is used to break down years of corrosion. The fire reveals the bare metal beneath, grinding away the last remnants of decay. The methodical deconstruction of the engine block. Inside, the inner workings tell a story of hardship. Careful hands navigate the complex machinery. Powerful tools are needed to free stubborn parts. A delicate operation on the piston head. Sandblasting scours the components clean. Precision grinding ensures a perfect fit. No imperfection is allowed to remain. The process is intense, but the results are astonishing. A vibrant new color is introduced. The engine block receives its protective coat. The resurrected engine is carefully placed back home. A perfect fit, bridging the old with the new. The crankshaft is polished, ready for action. The restored heart of the machine, ready to roar. Attention now turns to the smaller, crucial systems. The intricate brake assembly is rebuilt. Old rubber seals are carefully removed. The carburetor is meticulously cleaned. A rusted gasket is scraped clean. A power tool smooths the surface for a perfect seal. A new gasket is handcrafted with precision. Each hole is perfectly placed. Shaping the gasket for a custom fit. The final cut is made with a steady hand. Piston rings are installed with care. Measurements are checked to ensure tight tolerances. A sealant is applied before joining parts. The engine block is torqued to specification. The pistons are inserted into the cylinders. The main engine block is assembled. The freshly painted components come together. Each bolt is tightened with precision. Final adjustments are made by hand. Another gasket is sealed and set in place. The final tuning of the restored engine. Key components are carefully installed. The fully assembled engine is mounted for testing. The final tightening of the core systems. The power source is connected, preparing for ignition. Fuel lines are secured and checked for leaks. The complex web of wiring is carefully connected. A final check of all systems before the first start. New metal is cut for a custom frame. Sparks fly as the frame is welded together. Each joint is fused with intense heat and skill. The completed frame, strong and precise. Additional details are added to the custom build. A bold red coat of paint is applied. A hole is precisely punched into a metal plate. The metal glows as the hole is formed. Welding the exhaust pipe with a steady hand. The custom exhaust system takes shape. The entire system is assembled with its new component. The completed engine, a masterpiece of restoration. The final touches on the exhaust system begin with a well. The curved pipe is expertly joined. A sleek black finish is applied to the custom exhaust. The final detail is riveted into place. The new exhaust is installed into the hull. A view from inside showing the perfect fit. Custom paint is mixed for the final livery. The hull receives its final gray base coat. The entire surface is covered with an even spray. The front section is painted with precision. Even the top deck is given a flawless finish. A splash of light blue adds a custom touch. A darker gray paint is prepared for accent details. The painting process continues with meticulous care. The upper deck is now completely repainted. Custom floor mats are measured and marked. The mats are cut with a steady hand. The final shape, tailored for the Jetski. The new mat is installed in the rear section. The custom matting lines the body perfectly. The final assembly begins, installing the new floor lining. Each piece is carefully pressed into place. Small fixtures are secured by hand. A new cap is fitted, sealing a port. A protective black trim is riveted along the edge. The trim provides both protection and a sleek look. A final fastener secures the new trim. The branding decals are unrolled, ready for application. The iconic Wave Runner decal is carefully applied. The Yamaha logo gives the machine its identity. A small warning label is added for safety. Final adjustments are measured on the handlebars. A small metal piece is custom cut. Final wiring is precisely cut to length. Essential fluids are added to the system. The moment of truth arrives. Unleashed. The resurrected machine meets the water. The transformation is complete. A triumph of dedication.
A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at the RESTOR7-15 for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.